a new era of data security with Amazon ElastiCache. Amazon ElastiCache Serverless revolutionizes data management with automated backup and recovery for Memcached. By automating backups, ElastiCache Serverless minimizes data loss, ensuring business continuity. This innovation provides a reliable and scalable solution. The feature seamlessly integrates with existing deployments. ElastiCache Serverless handles backups, eliminating manual intervention. This frees up time and resources for core operations. Automated backups simplify data migration. ElastiCache Serverless is the go-to solution for a resilient caching solution. The pain points of data loss and difficult migrations. Data loss can be catastrophic, leading to financial losses and reputational damage. Traditional backup methods often fall short, requiring significant manual effort. Amazon ElastiCache Serverless addresses these pain points head-on. The new automated backup feature provides a robust solution to safeguard data. By automating these tasks, ElastiCache Serverless reduces the risk of errors. This allows businesses to focus on their core operations, knowing their data is protected. ElastiCache Serverless's automated backups are designed for operational efficiency. The automated backup feature also simplifies data migration. This process is seamless and efficient, minimizing downtime. Introducing automated backup and recovery for Memcached. ElastiCache. Serverless's automated backup and recovery feature brings simplicity and reliability to data management. With a few clicks in the AWS Management Console, businesses can enable automated backups for Memcached clusters. This feature eliminates complex scripting, making data protection effortless. ElastiCache Serverless automatically manages backups according to the defined schedule. Businesses can choose backup frequency from hourly to daily based on their recovery point objectives. Flexible retention policies allow businesses to store backups as required by compliance. Restoring from a backup is straightforward. The interface to browse, select, and restore backups is intuitive. Businesses can quickly recover Memcached data, minimizing downtime. The automated restore process reduces manual errors and accelerates recovery time. Achieve comprehensive data protection without the complexity of traditional solutions. Focus on core applications and leave data management to AWS.